Binate.
Pilot Shadow, ladies and gentlemen, please help and welcome.
Secretary Kim! BMC!
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat na nandito.
Good afternoon!
Sisters ko, ha? Hello, sa nanonood online ba?
Yes!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Alright, now Paolo, we want to hear from you.
Yes, I just want to say good afternoon to everyone. Thank you. We're as excited as you guys to perform for our Filipino community here tomorrow. Sa isang serye o pelikula, laging may script na sinusundan at syempre...
BMC, I love you!
Thank you. May mga sinusundan rin na directions from the director. So, sinusundan lang namin yung pace. Tapos tinatry lang namin i-enhance. Like for example, with me and Kim for Linlang and Secretary Kim, parang may constant effort lagi to make the scene work.
Yes. And then po yung second question ko, ano po yung, kasi bakit yung ganito pa ako? Ano po yung pagkakaiba niya itong proyekto niyo sa mga iba niya po yung proyekto?
Ako parang sabi ko nga sa taas, nakasabi ko lang na parang, ano ba yan, parang puro rom-com na yung ginagawa ko ngayon, parang nakakapanibago. Tapos, ayun, sinabi ni Kim na,
Masyado niya kasi siyang serious. It's about time, di ba? Parang bagay naman siya rom-com, di ba po?
Yes!
Sakto lang.
Mas bagay daw
Iba-iba
po.
naman.
Mas bagay po kayo nung
At least,
Hindi kasi naisip ko lang, independence kasi. So as a public figure, or both of you are public figures, so paano nyo to incorporate ba sa inyong pagkakuan, sa inyong pagka-artista, sa mukha po, sa inyong pagka-artista rin, sa ninyo nga kanang ma-influence ninyo inyong mga audience, inyong creative works, inanak.
bisaya mo siya din.
Hindi talaga ni Paolo.
When it comes to work, you know, we're one of, I would say we're also a very lucky country because we have so much freedom to say what we want to say and do what we want to do, and I think it transcends in all our in each line of work, especially on our side, entertainment industry. Dahil you can't really express like these kinds of movies, these kinds of films, these kinds of series, and really show what you want to say without being able to move freely or without being given that independence. And I think it's very important, especially with our filmmakers. I'm sure sigurado not a lot of you guys get to see some really nice Filipino movies, independent Filipino movies that are being made, which have like strong, na malalakas yung mga statements regarding issues about our country. So it's one of my hopes also that maybe this kinds of films and these kinds of talents are also shown throughout sa mga community natin throughout the world, especially here in the Middle East na malakas yung Filipino press.
Independence and how I inspire other people and how do I show it dito sa showbiz world. Siguro, masaya tayo that we have our, parang ang Philippines kasi is a democratic country. We have the freedom of speech, kahit anong pwede natin gawin. Huwag lang talaga tayo makakasakit ng kahit na sino. Physically. Pero, sobrang colorful ng showbiz world. And then, yung individuality namin is very colorful. As malaya kaming gawin kung ano yung gusto namin gawin, malaya kaming pumili ng kahit anong project na gusto namin gawin, sayaw na gusto namin gawin, lahat. So, independence is very important, and then dapat alam din natin yung self-worth natin, and we have also to be careful din na, kasi syempre nasa public figure kami, showbiz world, so maraming nakatingin or nakatingala. So, cautious din kami sa mga kinikilos namin at pinapakita para makapag-inspire din kami in a good way sa ibang tao.
Thank you so much.